My gosh, guys, look at this. So adorable. Matt, you gotta be more playful with him. Like, give him a challenge.
Send it to Tarek.
Okay.
I'm gonna miss Stormy.
I think they both will get along. I think he
Stormy.
will tackle Stormy, then Stormy will tackle him back.
And Shadow it would not have a clue what to do.
He'll be like, what?
Can't believe we had to bury him yesterday. We're gonna miss it, Goober.
Tommy.
We got love for this new guy.
Bro, he's super playful.
Did you call him Tommy?
Yes. Tommy.
He looks like a Tommy. He's so scrappy. And I think he was trying to go after a mouse earlier, too. You can tell.
Too fast, sis. Too fast. So cute.
Does Tarek know about?
No.
Tarek didn't know Stormy died. This guy is fluffy, but I'm gonna miss Stormy more. He's a playful cat too.
Stormy was part of our life for a long time.